everyone. Welcome to your final episode of How Many Tabs Are Able to Mr. Johnson's Computer 2468 tabs for the last day of school. It looks like they gave us a pretty easy exercise. All we're doing is playing matching games or typing in what we're looking at. So it's just going to be a lot of counting today. So as you can see, they just gave you a bunch of different forms of pictorial images, and we just have to put them in the right place. So just got to count the hundredths or count the tenths and the hundredths. So here we have 200ths. Boom. Here we have, let's see, 8 tenths and 100th. Boom. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4 tenths and 800ths. That's 48 hundredths. So you see like how I'm counting the tenths. Any full row is going to be a tenth, so I know automatically that's 2 tenths, and then I only have to count the 300ths. So 23 hundredths. I know math. 1, 2, 3 tenths and 900ths. That looks like 1 tenth. We got 1, 2, 3 tenths and 7 hundredths. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tenths and 400ths. We have one whole, and then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tenths and 1, 2, 3, 4, 500ths. You're like, you could have just put it there in the last place. I could have. Same thing. Remember, these are just the fraction form. So, did they use the same numbers? No, they did not. So, 57 hundredths, 30 hundredths, 86 hundredths. We're just looking for the same exact thing. So, if I'm looking at 9 hundredths, here's one that doesn't even have a full tenth. 57 hundredths. I'm looking for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 7. There we go. So all you're really doing is counting. So here's 1 tenth, 2 tenths, and 4 hundredths. 2 tenths plus 4 hundredths, 24 hundredths. This one has 9 tenths and 1 hundredth, so that's 91. So just go ahead and put them in the correct place. That's all you got to do. On the next page, all you're doing is say it out loud, 58 hundredths, and then look for the fraction. Oh, there's 58 hundredths. 16 hundredths. Look over here. Oh, there's 16 hundredths. 82 hundredths. Look over here. Do we have 82 hundredths? Yes, we do. So all you got to do, say the decimal out loud, find the fraction that looks like what you just said out loud. You say 7 hundredths out loud. You look over here for 7 hundredths. Oh, there it is. Boom. All right. Next page. Same thing, except you have word form even. So here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hundredths. So you'll have decimal form, word form, no fraction form at least. 84 hundredths. So we're looking for 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 8 tenths and 4 hundredths. So just count them once again and find their home. On this side, or on this one, you just write it. So we have 1, 2, 3 tenths and 1 hundredth. So that's 31 hundredths. On this one, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 tenths and 3 hundredths. So that's going to be 73 hundredths. All right, so you're just writing what you're looking at. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hundredths. Remember, if it has no tenths, you have a 0 in the tenths place. So there we go. And then next, let's see, use the fill color tool. Oh, great. Fill color tool. Of course, okay. Let's see. I don't know. Maybe it's already there for us. Okay, good. It's already there for us. All you got to do is click on it. All right, so we're going to make 73 hundredths. Let's see if they even made this possible. 7. No, they did not. Well, maybe. 70. Nope. Okay, so this page is no good because it won't let you do like the hundredths part. Because I could get 70 in there, but then when I try and get the 3, let me try one more thing. Let me do 70. No, it's not going to work. All right, so yeah, this page is no bueno. We could do this one. There's 4 hundredths. I mean, 4 tenths. My bad. So there's the only one we can do. Oh no, we can do this one too. We can do 9 hundredths. Oh well, that erased the other one. This is a bad page. Don't do this page. All right, next one. You're just writing all the different versions. So on the page, 47 hundredths, is a picture, 47 hundredths in words, 47 hundredths in decimals, 47 hundredths in fraction form. All right, this one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tenths and 100th. So this is 61 hundredths. And remember the THS at the end. And then you'd have 61 hundredths, so on and so forth. All right. And then this last one, same exact thing, except they did not give you any information except for the pictorial one. So, oops, 1 decimal, 1 and 0 tenths, 1 over 1 here. That's a whole word form. On this one, we'd have 1/10 plus 8 hundredths, so like 18 hundredths. Decimal form would be 18 hundredths. Fraction form would be 18 over 100. All right, so there's basically how to do each page. You made it. Congratulations. After you're done with everything, go like play outside, live your life, and do all the wonderful things. Start your summer, play a video game, like hug a sibling, tell your parents thank you for helping you through this year. Tell your parents, I love you, mom and dad. I love you, dogs and cats. Just spread the love. Just you have a summer to tell everyone you love them. So do that and be kind to everybody. I'm gonna miss y'all. Do well in middle school. Show everybody what Boom Bears are all about. And yeah, okay. Well, I'll see y'all later. It's sad. Single tear. Final goodbye. Bye. See you later.